Hi guys and welcome to Crazy Burger. So as you know, we're going to get an Amiga collection in the form of Team 17 Collection 1, and there's 10 games on this collection, some really good ones at that. However, in looking into more detail of Team 17 games on Amiga, there's actually quite a lot of them, and I kind of get the impression that we'll probably most likely see a Collection 2, maybe even a Collection 3. There are quite a lot of games that we could still potentially see from Team 17, and in this video what I'm going to be doing is having a look at the potential games we could see in future carts. I suspect we might even see another Collection 2 at some point this year. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, first game I would love to see is Superfrog. I was kind of surprised we didn't see that on Collection 1, and maybe we'll never see it. Obviously there are references to Lucozade throughout the actual game, but I don't think it would take too much effort to actually remove these. There are bottles that you use to sort of gain energy throughout the game, but it's not that recognisable that it's Lucozade. Maybe they'll give permission to actually use it, maybe they won't. Anyway, I really still would love this game on Evercade. It's an absolutely cracking platformer game where you sort of need to collect the coins to sort of get to the next level type of thing. And there's 5 worlds and there's loads of sort of stages in between. Really addictive, really good stuff. Pretty hard at times though, but it's really, really good. It's almost kind of a kind of Sonic game for Amiga. Sort of, except you're playing a frog and not a hedgehog. Okay, this is F17 Challenge. It's obviously a Formula 1 game, and we would absolutely love this in a collection too. I'm going to hold my hand up at this point and say sorry about the gameplay for this game, and probably every other game on this video, because I absolutely suck at pretty much every single one of them. Anyway, it was really just a video to try and showcase the games that I would love to see in a collection too. Okay, I have to say I was really surprised that we didn't see Alien Breed 3D on Collection 1. And there could be reasons for that. Obviously, if you look at that, the viewing screen is really, really small. Obviously, this was deliberate because it probably wouldn't run full screen on an Amiga. But it's such a really good game. It's a different sort of prospect to obviously the 2D games that we have. Maybe it's just not possible. Maybe it was struggling a bit to run. I doubt that. I actually suspect that we'll see this in Collection 2 when it sort of gets released, hopefully this year. This is good fun. It's obviously very Doom-esque. The levels, the style of it is definitely supposed to be like a Doom game for the Amiga, and it's actually really decent stuff. Obviously that viewing screen is tiny, and I just wonder how that would suit on the sort of handheld products for Evercade. Hopefully it's okay, because I really hope they don't hold it back just because of that, because it's an excellent game, and we'd really love this in Collection 2.
Damage alert. Damage critical.
Okay, so this is obviously quite similar to Arcade Pool that we're getting on Collection 1, so not sure if they would plump for getting the snooker version of the same game pretty much. I'm not entirely sure. But obviously I absolutely love playing snooker. I prefer playing snooker rather than pool. But will we see it? I really don't know. And I didn't add any sort of commentary to the previous games on this video because the games were pretty much self-explanatory. I didn't think there was any point in me just prattling on just like I normally do for the sake of it. But yeah, I really love snooker. I'd love to see this, but it is pretty similar to the pool game, so they might actually sort of leave it and move on to another game. But we don't really have a snooker game on Evercade, so it would be a great opportunity to get one. Okay, so this is the Spirus Legacy on the Amiga from Team 17, and it's obviously very much heavily inspired by the Legend of Zelda series. Certainly the graphics are really nice and it's got the music really spot on, but I don't think the gameplay matches what the Zelda series sort of had. It's just maybe a little bit aimless and a bit maybe boring to actually play through, but regardless it's still an RPG. I'm sure it'd be really welcome on a collection if we were to get one. But will we actually get this collection? I think we will definitely see a collection 2 minimal, and there's quite a lot of games here that we could still get, so I think if we do get one we might even see it this year. I hope so. Other than that, I'm pretty sure we'll see some more Amiga collections. According to Blaze, we are definitely getting 2, 3, 4 maybe more collections in the coming year or so. I would expect maybe to see another Team 17, maybe Gremlin collection, potentially maybe Bitmap Brothers collection, maybe System 3. That would be really cool. I'd love that, and there's plenty others out there. It just depends what they can agree and what they can get licensed to bring to the Evercade. Anyway guys, thanks very much for watching the video. We'll catch you again in the next one. Bye for now.